Hey guys, it's been a while. I cannot believe it's already been 3 months since our last video upload. We have quite a bit to update you about, but this video is going to be primarily focused on this 87 Monte Carlo Aero Coupe that was the last project that we just finished. But some of these videos are going to be showing some older clips of the process and the older clips of the old paint booth. So that's one major upgrade that we've made over the past month and a half. So this is the first project that we painted in the new booth, and it has made a drastic difference, and I'm real excited about that. And not only that, but after 10 years, Nicole and I just recently got engaged. So we're going to be getting married. So that's pretty exciting for us. And if you stay tuned until the end of the video, you'll see our engagement video, a short little engagement video. I wish I would have recorded kind of the planning and the process with her family and my family. It was pretty cool, but it'll kind of have to just be a memory and what we did get on video, and I did put that in the end. So stay tuned for that, and as always, we appreciate your guys' support and hope you enjoy the video. It's gonna, as usual, be some music and some clips, so thanks.
Drive fast, love slow, stalling out. Move to the back, so keep the music loud. Whisper in my ear, I wanna move far from here. Fix up the car, find a better place. But is it somewhere better? Is it somewhere better?
Well, you're not the best at saying goodbyes, but I am the best at telling you lies like I love you. And you know sometimes I miss you too. And now you left me with this empty spaces. Got oceans on my back and I'm feeling the waves of all the love I have washing away to you. And I wish that I could take away the weight that all of this shit brings. I feel like you're across the harbor, really you're 100 miles away. And I draw my anchor on the shore, you're not here anymore. Okay, I fucking love you, and you know sometimes I miss you too.
Woke up with a headache and some neck pain. Cup of coffee, need the caffeine. Oh, I don't know the last time I wasn't tired. Check out in the fast lane. The lady asked if I've been having me a nice day. Oh yeah, I said that I'm fine, guess that I'm a liar. 'Cause yeah, I'm fine. If F is for feeling overwhelmed and high is for I'm not alright. Yeah, I'm fine. If N is for not being able to sleep for every night. Yeah, I'm fine. Finally feeling the pressure of keeping my feelings inside. Yeah, I'm fine. Well, maybe I'm not, and I just need to tell someone I'm not alright. Do you wonder how it feel to let somebody in to finally see the real you? Me too. I hide behind a mask, but it's getting pretty see-through. 'Cause I'm so tired of trying to pretend like I can do it on my own, when in the end I'm sick and tired of feeling alone. I wish there was a way that you could read my mind when I say I'm fine, because yeah, I'm fine. If F is for feeling overwhelmed and high is for I'm not alright. Yeah, I'm fine. If N is for not being able to sleep for every night. Yeah, I'm fine. Finally feeling the pressure of keeping my feelings inside. Yeah, I'm fine. Well, maybe I'm not, and I just need to tell someone I'm not alright. Maybe I should tell someone I'm not. Tell someone I'm not alright. Fine. If F is for feeling overwhelmed and I is for I'm not alright. Yeah, I'm fine. If N is for not being able to sleep for every night. Yeah, I'm fine. Finally feeling the pressure of keeping my feelings inside. Yeah, I'm fine. Well, maybe I'm not, and I just need to tell someone I'm not alright.
run? Will I stay? Or will I find a better way? Live this life as I am, as I was. Cause the more I try to get away, the more I find it's here to stay. It's in my blood, it's in my bones, it's all I ever know. I know one day I'd give it all just to be here, but I don't know what it will take for me to see this clear, for me to see this clear. Will it take the end of all I know for me to learn how much I hope to see this life as it is, as it was? Cause I know these times will come and pass, and the seasons change as the summers flash before our eyes, slipping by one by one. One day I hope to find a way to quiet down inside, 'cause I've been reeling for so long, long, long. Something's got to give. No, one day I hope to find a way to quiet down inside, 'cause I've been reeling for so long, long, long. Something's got to give. I know one day I'd give it all just to be here, but I don't know what it will take for me to see this clear. I know in time, somewhere down the line, I will be just fine. Will it take the end? Will it take the end?
That's
Will
pretty
it take
good.
the end?
On the first stage of buff?
Will it take the end?
You on the first stage of buff?
Yeah.
So there's 2 stages of cutting and 2 of polish. And she's basically just going over as many passes as it takes until it gets completely clear with no haze. So there'll still be some holograms in it, so you can still see the buffing hologram. So that'll go as polish continues. So this is mainly for the scratches and for the initial correction.